4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff! On our way to the moon.
I'm really excited to be here and to partner with Betsy and to partner with all of these wonderful tables and all these wonderful people that are talking about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. What a wonderful way to start the day.
The Artemis program will continue with further exploration, looking at different areas of the South Pole, doing more science, staying for longer durations, and all of this is to help us practice and prepare for Mars. So we're not just stopping at the moon. We're getting ready to go to Mars and beyond.
While we need you all, we need your minds. And no organization, whether it's a city, municipality, state, federal, any industry, academia, we need scientists, we need technologists, we need engineers, we need mathematicians. What else do we need? We need people in the arts. If we can't talk about what we do in a way that people can understand it, we will not be able to continue to move forward.
We need you all to think about all the technologies that we need. We need rovers, we need hotels, we need power, we need everything. And I believe that the young people here today are going to invent those things, and some of them are actually going to be astronauts to go to not only the moon, but they're going to go to Mars.
We need you. Everyone has a role to play in moving our country forward, and everybody deserves a great education.
You put your boots on the moon. Boots on the moon. Woohoo!